Hegemony. Before starting the concept, let me explain that how you should pronounce this word. In two ways this word is pronounced. The first in American hegemony, and in the second in British English. As you know that in India we speak British English, so in British English we pronounce this word as hegemony. So let me tell you what is this concept. This concept hegemony this concept hegemony is given by none other than Antonio Gramsci in the year 1929 to 1935 in his work Prison Notebooks. What is the significance of this concept? This concept simply refers to the dominance of one group over another, not just by force but through cultural and ideological means. Let me explain you in the simple way. Hegemony is when one group or class controls a society not just through force but by making their ideas, values, and way of life seem normal and common sense. Imagine a school where students believe wearing uniform is necessary because they have been told it builds discipline, but in reality the school just wants to enforce strict rules. Over time students accept this without questioning it, and nobody dares to question that why students have to wear uniform. Similarly, in society, powerful groups like governments, media, or big businesses spread ideas that benefit them, making people believe that certain systems like capitalism, democracy, or specific cultural norms are the best and only way to live. This makes people follow the system without needing constant force or threats. Example: why do many people believe that success comes only from working a 9 to 5 job? Because media, education, and society constantly promote this idea as the right path. Now, I hope that you are able to understand this concept. So, this is hegemony, a way of controlling people by shaping their beliefs rather than using force. So, please, if you like this channel, if you like this concept, I would request you to please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.